So how to cancel Priority Pass membership? So to go ahead and cancel your Priority Pass membership, you're going to need to get in contact with Priority Pass's customer support, as there is no cancel option on the app or through your account. So the only actual way to cancel is by raising a ticket and sending an inquiry using this form here. So I'll leave a link below in the description for you to find this form and fill it in. But once you're on this page, nice and simple, just fill in your full name, the email address associated with your account, your phone number, last 4 digits of the card on your account, your Priority Pass membership number, reason for the inquiry, which in this case is cancellation. And then from there, you just need to fill in your subject and your message. So for subject, you can just put in something like cancel membership, do not renew. And for the message itself, again, there's no right or wrong answer here. You can customize it however you like. But the bottom line is, it must clearly state that you wish to cancel your membership and ask for written confirmation that you will not be automatically billed and that your subscription will not be renewed. So for example here's an example message I put out. I just said I would like to cancel my Priority Pass membership at the end of my current membership period and prevent it from automatically renewing. Please confirm that my membership will not renew and that no further annual payment fee will be charged. Again, this is just what I'm saying. You can customize this message however you want, just as long as it clearly states that you wish to cancel. Then once you've done that, you can go ahead and confirm the terms and conditions and press submit. And there you have it. And you've successfully sent off your inquiry to cancel your Priority Pass membership. So from here, it just becomes a waiting game, waiting for Priority Pass to get back to you, usually within 2 working days. And you're also given a reference number and you're also given an email for confirmation, something that looks like this. But just before we wrap up this video, I'd always refer to the latest terms and conditions just to check for the notice period. But at the time of recording, the terms and conditions do say it needs to be done within 30 days of renewal. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.